Opportunity knocks with this exceptional property. Welcome to a charming Cape Cod home situated on an oversized, level lot in the heart of Pomeroy Heights. Whether you're an investor, builder, or a handy buyer looking for a great deal, this home is bursting with potential. And with 100% USDA financing available, you could own this home with no money down. Set on 0.59 acres, the lot provides plenty of space for outdoor enhancements. Imagine the possibilities, whether you envision a lush garden, a stylish patio, or a custom outdoor entertainment area. This oversized yard offers endless potential. Inside, the home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and over 2,100 square feet of living space. The family room features a real wood-burning fireplace, creating a cozy atmosphere perfect for relaxing or hosting guests. With a bit of imagination, this space could easily be transformed into the heart of the home. The sunroom adds to the home's charm, providing a light-filled space perfect for enjoying your morning coffee, reading a book, or even converting it into an inspiring workspace. With a bit of work, the eat-in kitchen can be brought back to life, offering a breakfast area, ceiling fan, and room for modern appliances. If you're someone who loves to renovate, this is a blank canvas for you to design your dream kitchen. The home includes 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the main level, offering easy one-floor living. There's also an additional bedroom on the upper level, providing space for a growing family or potential rental income. With public water, sewer, and low taxes, this home offers a lot of value. Out back, there's even a fenced, above-ground pool, perfect for hot summer days and family fun. While it may need some updating, it's a unique feature that adds to the home's appeal. Located just minutes from great restaurants and with easy access to the 30 bypass, this property offers convenience, space, and endless potential. Whether you're looking to flip, rent, or build equity through renovation, this is the perfect opportunity to craft your dream home. Don't miss out on this diamond in the rough. Schedule your showing today and let your imagination run wild as you envision the future of this exceptional property. And remember, with USDA financing, you could own this home with no money down. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more great real estate opportunities.